Hey guys, Leonard here. Welcome to another unboxing.
What are we unboxing today?
This electronic keyboard.
Electronic keyboard. Let's have a look. Who's it made by?
It's made by Big Fun.
We're having big fun. Do, 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 do. And the party's just begun.
Got plaster on.
We're having big fun.
Start.
Okay. So what is it? Mini keyboards.
It's not mini keyboards.
Well, it says mini keys. Mini keys what? Big fun.
Big Fun.
Keyboards.
An accessory computer. Comes with a microphone, some wires, and a MP3 player.
It's got a USB cable there as well.
Yeah, and an MP3 player.
So it doesn't take batteries.
No.
So you can connect it to a what here?
A plug.
A computer?
Or
Or
mobile phone holder.
So it charges up with a mobile phone charger. So this can actually charge up with a mobile phone charger, which is not bad. I've never seen one like this before. Normally they come with batteries or the power outlet, but now this powers with the USB.
And you put it into a plug.
Yeah, USB. Of course you do, because it's a power outlet. USB. So it comes with a power
So
mobile
that means
phone charger.
if you put your phone charger in there, it will connect to your phone. It will charge from there.
Possibly.
It will charge from the power from the
So how many keys does it have?
46.
40,
6.
40,
9.
49.
No, it's because I'm upside
16.
down. Tones.
16 tones, different tones. 8 rhythms.
Yeah.
6 demos. 5, what does that say? Do you know what that says?
Percussions.
No? Read it properly.
Percussions.
No, there's no M in there.
Percussions.
No. Percussions.
Percussions.
C-U-S. No M there. You should be able to read that by now. Double speakers. So it has double speakers, double percussions. I couldn't even say it then. So, you've got what? So it says, attention please, colours of the MP3. So it has an MP3, or does it? Or does it not? Let's have a look. It's also a small portal. Is that you?
No.
You can play it anytime, anywhere. And there's a connection thing. So let's get it open then. Let's get this bad boy open.
Let's get this bad boy open.
You got to open in here.
Okay, Linda. Lazy Linda from Henry.
Let's get it open.
And I'm going to sing songs with the microphone.
I hate this camera and this phone.
Sometimes.
Please, guys, don't get a Huawei P10 or whatever it's called, Mate 10. Do not get a Huawei Mate 10. So you do get an MP3 player with it.
And it can clip onto your clothes.
And let's have a look at it. So there's and it takes SD memory card. There's the part with the charger, USB charger, on-off switch there, and microphone.
Headphones.
Yeah, headphones. Sorry. So now what do you have here? A keyboard.
Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful?
I'm shocked that you've got a keyboard and an MP3 player for 20 Rial. For 20 Rial.
And there's a wire.
And what else have you got with it?
You're ready to close your eyes, guys. Oh my.
And he's got there
Oh my.
the cable.
Where's everything gone?
And what else you have got with it?
Dun, dun, dun.
And you have a microphone.
All that for 20 Real.
Wow.
Should I plug the
I've never
microphone?
seen one like that before.
Should I
It's
plug-
made in China.
Should I plug my phone in?
Should we plug it in and see what's going off?
So first, we need to plug it in. Oh yeah, let's plug it into there. Got skanked. You little gumboot. You're so. Oh yeah, this one goes in here.
Do not get a Huawei Mate 10.
Okay.
This camera is awful.
Okay, now wait. Put it on here so it's closer to the plug.
Look at your shirt. Your shirt is coming out pink, and you've got an orange and red T-shirt on.
It's
Yet the
red.
Huawei camera is picking up it as pink. It's absolutely awful.
Okay, so wait. Now let's put it into this.
So now you plug it into the
Samsung charger.
Samsung charger.
I'm sure any other charger will work.
Just pull the charger out first, and then push that in.
I'll just go here. Then shut.
else you gonna do? What's next?
Jump on to the glory. Don't need this one yet.
Because that's for your MP3.
Watch this. Watch this. It works. It works.
Wow.
It actually works, guys.
And then,
Lad. Now here's a song that I've written. It's called Lad and Dad. 3, 2, 1, go. Play keyboard. Lad and Dad. Making videos, making science even fun. Sometimes slime. Lad and Dad. Making videos, making science isn't fun. Lad and Dad. Making videos, making science isn't fun. And this, I want to show you something, guys. Look. If you blow into it, it sounds like a storm. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.
bye, Jay-Z.